Hello and welcome back to Developers Diary. In the previous tutorial, we were looking into the rich text editor. Today we shall explore radio buttons and checkbox. Let's log into your Apex workspace. Then go to App Builder and choose an application. You can create new one as well. Now click Create Page, choose a blank page and name is Radio. Click Create. Now create a region into the body and name it Radio Certain Vija. And create page item, department, radio, and select the type radio group. Now you have to provide the query in the list of value. Validate the query and click OK. Click Save and run the page. So you can see the radio groups are showing and you can select any of the value. Here in the setting, you have the number of columns. Currently, all the values are showing in the one column. If you select two, then values will be selected in two columns. First column and the second column. Then you have the page action section selection. In this, you have two values, submit page, redirect or set values. We are going to use the submit page, save, and run the page. Now, when we select the value, it will submit the page to the session state. You can see the value in the session state. The item name is department radio, and the value is 2, which is the return ID of. Let's click save. In the session state, you can see the value of sales department. Here you can see that there is a null value in the radio button or radio group. So to remove this, we shall switch off this display extra display null value from the list of value. Click save and run the page. So the extra value is vanished now. Now let's create another page item and check yes and no and select the checkbox and use the default. Save it and create another page item, and this time we shall use the checkbox group. And we shall provide SQL query for the list of value We shall validate the query and turn off the display extra values and run the page. Now you can see a checkbox with yes and no and a group based checkbox. Select two values, select and choose another department. Now you can see that the default behavior of checkbox is y, yes, y, and no for n. And then we have two departments that we have selected in the checkbox group, which is 2 and 3. If we uncheck this value and submit the page, then you can see the n by default. So this is the default behavior of checkbox. And similarly, you can choose any of the single value from checkbox group. So you can see that the checkbox group value is returning only single department. So I hope you have learned something useful about radio buttons and checkbox at Developers Diary. See you in the next tutorial.